Hold on here. We gotta do it like, we gotta do a battery, a very vloggy battery swap. You ready? What's up, guys?
I suppose now is as good a time as any to kind of break down what's going on. As you can see, that's Indianapolis International Airport there behind me. I am headed to Minneapolis, Minnesota, like the coldest possible place on earth. Actually, I grew up in Minneapolis. I love it there. All my family lives there. There's lots of friends. So I'm actually really looking forward to going. I'm headed out for the AirVuz award shows. I've been nominated as a finalist for my video Envelopment, which I'll be sharing, or you can go check out in the link below. And you know, and AirVuz is bringing me out to kind of do some news stuff, hang out. I think Rotor Ride's going to be there. We're going to do some filming. We're going to have some fun. I'm really looking forward to this trip. So we're going to get on an airplane and head out there and see what's going on. It still boggles my mind how often I find myself in random cities getting picked up by strangers that I've only met on the internet. Okay, well, after what ended up being a kind of rough flight, like there's like an old lady and a businessman like fighting over who was allowed to tilt their chair back in the exit row, and it was pretty amazing. But yeah, we made it here. We made it to Minneapolis. I got picked up by Jacob and Emily. We went out, played some foosball. It was a great time, and we are getting ready for. And we're getting ready for the show tomorrow. I can't wait to bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can. It's obviously gonna be a little bit busy, just with the you know, being available to do news and stuff like that. I'm hoping to be able to pass this camera off to other people and have them help me shoot it. But I'm excited. I'm really pumped and really excited to be here. So thanks very much. We'll see you tomorrow. Normally at an event, I don't carry this much stuff. I usually bring a suitcase and then this, but I don't want to have to haul this around because there's like limited space with everything. So I got the big thing. I'm going up to this.
What up, dude? Pound it.
Okay,
okay.
See you there.
Mr. Jacob.
Why is your jacket lighting up?
To stay warm.
See how he just deflected it away from himself? He does not want to be on camera.
I love the camera. I love myself. I love coffee. And I suck at tiny whooping.
You've got everything you need to start the vlog.
Exactly.
Being bad at drones? Yeah, you got everything Drew had.
Finesse. Gently in and up. All about finesse. Hands, Paul. Hands.
He says we're talking about the door handle, but gently in and then up. No, didn't work. Oh, no, that did not work.
Okay, we're good. It's all good. Don't worry, man. This is
that wasn't it.
Good luck getting back now. You're gonna have to shut the door.
A little bit. Nope, not enough finesse. Try to open it.
Did he break it now? Hold. I hate it. I fucking hate it. Welcome. I'm moving to Florida. Second annual AirVuz Drone Video Awards. If you make it out alive. We're on our way to this place called Bauhaus, which it took me a while to actually get that name down. I thought it was Bauhaus, and I thought it was a coffee brewery because I'm sort of...
A coffee brewery?
Yeah, because they said we're going to this brewery, and I own a coffee shop.
At like 11 in the morning?
Yeah.
Why are we going to
Yeah.
Bauhaus?
Oh, sorry. We're going to Bauhaus for the AirVuz Drone Video Awards, and some folks in this car will be presenting awards to the top videos in their respected categories.
Oh wait, what categories do you guys have?
freestyle something, right?
Okay.
We're a little.
I didn't realize there was a category for shitty vlogs. I'm in the series called The Drone Racing. It's a show on ESPN.
Oh, hello.
This is the third and final views heat. Are you guys ready in the views group? No, 1 second. You need a third battery? What's happening? Star-studded lineup of pilots.
Infinity Lobsters.
Pilots are in our race today.
That'll do.
Now we're going to switch gears into another FPV category. This one is Micro Drone Acro Mode. Micro Drone Acro Mode is packed with more films of those lovable tiny drones. But this time around, pilots are taking more control of their quad, allowing them to further control its pitch and tilt, to dive, flip, roll, and more.
All right, I'm back.
Welcome
Just in
back,
time
Tyler.
for another micro drone category. We've got the micro drone acro mode nominees. Check them out.
Those videos are always a lot of fun to watch. Well, guys, should we announce the big winner of the Micro Drone Acro Mode category is NERC FPV with Envelopment. And guess what? NERC is actually live here in Minneapolis with us now. NERC, get out here and join us. Just come on.
Come on up.
Thank you.
We had him all queued up, like, why am I standing here? I wonder why. Hey, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Before we talk to you, we want to watch the full video so
Yeah.
everybody at home can see it too. Here it is.
A lot of love in the Facebook comments for this video and for NERC. Let's talk a little bit about that. First of all, you've got the drone here that you used to film it. Tell us about what this one is.
Yeah, so this is the exact same drone that I used to film this video, 1-to-1. This is the Shendrone Squirt. It's a little ducted drone that these help flight performance a little bit, but mostly it allows you to be safe. It keeps you from like accidentally bumping into somebody or something that shouldn't get hurt by props. And we love flying these around. And the City Museum of St. Louis invited us out and just to fly for 2 days. Like they gave us 2 days to full free reign, go wherever you want, film whatever you want. And we were really privileged to have that opportunity and to fly, throughout the museum.
Now, when we announced this as one of the nominees, people were saying that's not acro because it's so smooth, but it is. I mean,
Yep.
tell us just kind of the flight and why the acro part of it and all
Yeah,
that.
so what I did was I actually filmed it in 2.7K, 4x3, 60 frames per second, and then used Real Steady to make that dream sequence. I wanted it to, the video is called Envelopment because the art of the museum, it takes you in, it pulls you in, it makes you. It surrounds you like music, as the curator would say, and so that was my goal with that video, was to kind of showcase the City Museum as this beautiful place that you could kind of get sucked into, that you could be enveloped by.
Right.
I like it.
We got the Drone Racing League reigning champ, and now we had AirVuz Drone Video Award winner too.
$500,
I think that's probably a little bit above DRL, right? Yeah.
Thank you very much.
That means that you are up for FPV Video of the Year too. So
Awesome, I can't wait.
not that you can leave because you're actually going to be sticking around all day. If you're local and you want to meet Nurk yourself, he is out here at Bauhaus. We'll be here until 5 o'clock, so you still got some time to come out here and meet him. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. That's great.
The AirVuz Awards are done. We switched over to Tiny Whoop Racing. It's an intense battle between Nurk and Madrid. But he's the quad that actually has acro mode, so he can like do the vertical obstacles, and I can't. Really. I'm already making excuses. Don't you worry. But yeah, we just finished up our third heat. We're going into like some sort of chase the ace format. We're gonna find that champion. I think it's gonna be Fluxy, but who knows? But yeah, here we go.
Kevin, who are you betting for?
Not you.
I didn't bet for me either. I don't know if it'll show me my picks.
Justin Carpenter is here.
I'm betting it all. Like, I gotta go big or go home.
Yeah, I put myself in third.
I put you in second.
Thanks for believing in me.
Over here at the table, if you see yourself on the board,
Jesse.
Or no, I'm sorry. It was actually.
You son.
there's one more prize as the final.
I put him in last too.
Get ready to fly.
No face.
I mean,
Not even Jesse is flying the Tiny Whoop Racer.
Oh, yes, I am. The brushless one. Any questions?
Goes down, thumbs up. This is our first JCAC. Here's good. Arm your quads and it starts at less than 5. Go. A little bit of
Heat 2 of finals. I took third behind Fluxy, Jesse, and ahead of Ladrib. I gotta beat Fluxy to keep it going, otherwise Fluxy wins it all. But he's on another level, there's no hope.
Go. Contact right out the gate. And it is Nurk. No restarts in Tiny Whoop, says Joel. Nurk is in the lead. I wonder if he picked himself. No! Nurk is done with his lap first. Who's in second? That looks like Jesse P. And Ladrib. Can Fluxy catch up in this one? Ladrib is, as he said, having difficulty in that triple threat, the Trinity. Here comes Fluxy. Oh, Nurk was in the lead, but there he is. He did go through the gate. I thought he went through. He went through just to be sure. Now, what do we have? We have Jesse up front? It's Jesse. If Jesse wins this, it's all over, folks. Woo, Jesse! Is that second lap? Second lap. All right, Jesse's in the lead. Into lap number 3. Oh! Fluxy goes down. We have a marshal. But it's Jesse P in the infinity loop. Ladies and gentlemen, Jesse Perkins! Jesse Perkins has chased the ace with an upset victory. Everybody else is finishing. There's Nurk through. Nurk is through. For the fan leaderboard, we've got the rest of the order. Amazing. Jesse Perkins comes in here from Loveland, Colorado. He invented the Tiny Whoop. Just gave the people a pat on the back as he's finishing up. Let's give it up for
Any other day, Foxy probably would have taken this one. Let's not forget that, but thanks guys so much. This is such an awesome event.
We have our China Whooping champion from the AirVuz event. Congratulations. Now, Fluxy, the expected winner of today's Tiny Whooping. What did it feel like to lose to Paul twice in a row in the finals like you're going to do all season on DOL? Woo!
There's not a chance. Look, he doesn't understand the amount of determination and grind that I have in me. And he knows. He's seen me at races. He's raced alongside of me. And he knows I ain't fucking around when I go out there.
But you know how hard I work too.
I know. I understand that.
And you know it's more than you.
No. I don't think so. I don't think so.
It's okay.
It's gonna be a damn good season.
Vanover is gonna crush us both anyway. It doesn't matter.
He's not.
No, he's not. I do think it'll be a great battle, Fluxy Nurk. But
thank you.
We'll see who wins.
Really are.